This is assignment 1 for Health 570. I'm going to be talking about neurotransmitters and weight regulation for chapter 5. What are neurotransmitters? Neurotransmitters are messengers that bring messages throughout the brain and the body. In particular, we will be talking about the neurotransmitters that specifically help the hypothalamic areas of the brain to communicate with each other. These communications often help with regulating food intake, helping with selections of food choices, fats, carbs, etc., and hormone secretion. All of these processes ultimately lead to the regulation of total body weight. Body energy regulation. The arcuate nucleus, or ARC, is in the hypothalamus and contains the different neurotransmitters that can either stimulate or inhibit appetite. Those that stimulate appetite are called orexigenic neuropeptides, and those that inhibit appetite are called anorexigenic neuropeptides. There are many other neurotransmitters like insulin, leptin, and ghrelin that also have receptors in the ARC, and their actions reach far beyond the brain to other areas of the body, but still have an effect on weight regulation. Orexigenic peptides, those that turn on feeding. One is melanin concentrating hormone, or MCH. This hormone can cause overeating, specifically of high-fat foods, which can lead to obesity, while a lack of this hormone has shown to cause mice to become very lean. Second one that we're going to talk about is neuropeptide Y, NPY. This is the most abundant peptide and can reduce energy expenditure while also stimulate appetite, which can both lead to weight gain. While it stimulates eating, thermogenesis is reduced, which slows metabolic rate. Norepinephrine. Norepinephrine stimulates eating, in particular eating carbohydrates. Overeating increases the release of norepinephrine, while eating less will release less, and energy expenditure will decrease due to its effect on diet. Induced thermogenesis, which can cause weight gain. Finally, ghrelin. Ghrelin increases fat consumption and has been shown in animals to increase during puberty, causing weight gain that is common in adolescent animals and possibly humans. More studies need to be done on ghrelin. Anorexigenic peptides, those that turn off feeding. The first one is serotonin. The serotonin works in opposition to norepinephrine. When levels are high, the quantity of food consumed, speed of eating, and length of time spent eating all tend to decrease. There are some effective appetite suppressants on the market that work by increasing serotonin levels in the brain as well. Next one is pro-opiomelanocortin. This neuropeptide not only inhibits appetite, but also works in opposition to the orexigenic peptide NCH. However, if chronic dieting or insufficient calories are being consumed, this neuropeptide level will drop, which will inadvertently cause MCH and other orexigenic peptides to stimulate eating again. Cocaine and amphetamine regulated transcript, or CART. This can be a genetically linked peptide that can be involved in determining fat distribution while also being shown to decrease overall appetite. CART also plays a role in inhibiting the appetite-stimulating NPY neuropeptide. And finally, alpha-melanocyte-stimulating hormone. This hormone plays a major role in energy homeostasis and mobilizes fat stores during the process of thermogenesis. This hormone also increases circulating free fatty acids. Therefore, although it does not have a direct effect on appetite and eating, this hormone plays a role in metabolism and utilizing the energy that is ingested in order to maintain a healthy weight. In summary, neurotransmitters help the areas of the brain communicate with each other and throughout the body. There are neurotransmitters that increase appetite and eating and ones that inhibit appetite and eating. Along with other hormones and regulators throughout the body, all of these work together to help regulate body weight by triggering specific ones in times of both feast and famine. Thank you very much.